velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. And she placed it right into my hand. And the very next thing that I said was bad luck to the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Before the judge and the jury, next morning I had to the judge, he says to me, young man, your case is proven quite clear. I'll give you some years penal servitude to be spent far away from the land, far away from your friends and relations, and the girl with the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. I know her the queen of the land. With a black velvet band. So come on, you jolly young fellows, and a warning take my hand. Well, who should he be? And his company, where are the pretty collies? But I'll fill you up with strong drink.